This video is a supplement to my book 21st Century Bushcraft, and today's topic is UTM. So first off, what is UTM? UTM stands for Universal Transverse Mercator, and it's a way of navigating that's an alternate choice to lat long. I like it so much better than lat long. It's very, very simple. It's kind of like playing Battleship, if you've ever played that game or heard of that, where you would say like E5 and then you would see if your battleship was hit or not. And it's the same kind of a system. The whole Earth is set up in a grid, and it breaks down into 1 kilometer squares.
The UTM grid is comprised of eastings, which run along the top and bottom edges of the map, and northings, which run along the sides. I think the best way to demonstrate how easy this system is to use will be to find a known point using its coordinates. In this case, the observatory near where I live.
First thing, I'm going to look at my easting, which is 669730. So I'm going to go along here and find 669, which is right there, this blue line, and then my northing 5078470. So first 5078, and I follow this line, and like I said, it's like that battleship game. Boom, right there. That's the corner of my kilometer square where I know the location is. Now from here, I'm going to use a roamer. There's different kinds of roamers. This is a corner style. There's slot roamers. There's different ones. I would suggest buying the different varieties and getting used to each one, and then you'll probably have a favorite. I like the corner ones myself. I put my corner roamer into this square, and now I'm going to use the last 3 digits to really pinpoint my locations. And this is actually in meters.
If we look at the easting as an example, the 7 is accurate to 100 meters square, the 3 to 10 meters square, and that last digit to a single meter square. Now I'll try to find the easting using my roamer.
I'm going to look at 730. So I'm going to bring my roamer across here until 73 is on that blue line right about there, and then 470 as my northing. I'm going to bring this down until 47 is on that line, and Goldendale Observatory is right there in the corner where it should be.
Even without a roamer, UTM allows you to be incredibly accurate because the center of each square is 500 east, 500 north. Knowing that, and with some practice, most people can estimate coordinates within a few hundred square meters.
And another nice feature is you can tell distance very easily because these are 1 kilometer squares. So if I want to know how far maybe between these 2 points are, I can just use those squares and get a quick estimation without needing a ruler. So I hope you enjoyed that brief overview of UTM. It's still a good idea to learn lat long because it's in use everywhere. But if you can, for yourself and your personal use, give UTM a try because I think you'll find it is a very user-friendly system.
To learn more about our products, courses, and videos, please visit us at bushcraftnorthwest.com.